Did you know that perfectionism is actually a self-protection mechanism? That's right, folks. I know all my high achievers out there can feel me on this. That whole, trying to dress perfectly or act perfectly or achieve perfectly is actually just our brain's effort to avoid potential shame, right? Or judgment. So this really isn't about striving for excellence or being our best selves. This really is about self-protection. So listen, the next time you find yourself trying to perfect everything before you actually step into the ring or onto the field, I want you to step back first and I want you to ask yourself, what are you so afraid of? I have a quote that I love. The best way to get what you don't want is to fear it. So go ahead, folks, with your perfectionism. You're basically confirming that that's what you're going to get, that which you do not want.